Hey there everyone, I hope you're rocking today. Geographic Information Systems and ArcGIS Pro are powerful tools for your spatial intelligence. From pre-planning to full operations to post-project analysis, GIS is essential for both science and business. In a new series of videos that I'm going to create, I'm going to teach GIS concepts, ESRI apps, including ArcGIS Pro Collector and Survey 123, as well as Geoscience topic. This video is a short overview of what is to come. Now, before I get going, if you have any questions or any concerns or anything that you want me to talk about, just leave them down below. Let's get rocking. Hi there, I'm Dr. Chris, a professional geoscientist. The next series of videos, I'm going to talk about geographic information systems, quite a bit about software, and probably a little bit about geoscience. If you incorporate the GIS concepts that I'm going to talk about, you're going to improve your understanding of GIS, you will improve your skills with ESRI software. What I am hoping with these series of videos is that you will improve your GIS skills. You will improve your ESRI skills so you can impress your friends, impress your company, impress your mom. Now, the ideas I'm going to share with you will not only increase your efficiency by a factor of 10 by helping you make better decisions in the office, they will also help you when your operations are in full spring. Now, my understanding comes from years of programming, years of research, and years in GIS. I'm going to be looking at pre-planning using ArcGIS Pro. I'm going to be talking about imagery analysis. I'm going to be talking about folder structure, file naming, metadata, versioning. We're going to have a look at ArcGIS Online and its connectivity to ArcGIS Pro. I'm going to talk about statistical analysis and harnessing infographics. Now, there's going to be quite a few videos, so stay tuned. I will be talking pretty much 100% about ESRI products for these videos. No, they're not paying me, but they can if they like. Why am I using ESRI products? Well, they just work well in the office. They work well online. They work well in the field. They just work together with minimal tweaking. I am a convert to the power of ArcGIS Pro, ArcGIS Online, Collector, and Survey 123. And luckily, it's fairly cheap for ArcGIS for personal use. Now, I'm also going to be sticking with mindsets and examples more than click here, do that instructions. Make sure you stick around, plenty to come. That was a brief introduction to my next series of videos on GIS, ESRI products, and geoscience. If you have any specifics that you want me to talk about, again, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, add me to your LinkedIn, or even better, share my videos through your networks. Till next time, I'm Dr. Chris. Keep rocking.